In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve add music option not showing on Instagram. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So for that, open your Play Store and search for Instagram. So here if you see an update option, then it means that you need to update your Instagram. But if you see this open option, that means your Instagram is up to date. Once you have updated your Instagram, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. But just in case if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to go to your phone settings, go to app management, click on app list, then search for Instagram, click on Instagram, go to storage and cache, and then all you have to do is to first click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. And that's it. After this, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.